only way you can zoom with a GoPro is to move forward.
Let me get past you. Yeah, I'm coming.
Even the car. Yes. What's the sound?
Okay, so I will camp there if there's no what's name. I'll set it.
Oh, we can camp there, that's okay. It doesn't look very there.
Also here, that's quite cool. There's no one there.
I would like to camp where there's an open spot where
Yeah,
it's
we should all
open.
camp together if there is. But so there is a really cool camping spot.
We have set up camp over there. Must be about, what, 35 degrees, you think?
No, it said 30 here.
Feels hotter.
Check the ants.
Yo!
Check him. You can actually see them coming out of the hole there. I've got some shots there of them coming out. There's nothing there, but then they came out here. Check there. Check. Crazy, right?
There's different types of ants.
Yeah, they're black ants, I think. I don't know what the name exactly is.
They're way bigger than the usual
They'll
ones.
carry off tent away. Just set up my Airbnb. It's like the only trees here. But at least it works.
Looks awesome.
Oh, man.
Should sleep here.
I could, eh? That is actually... I just set up my tent, but I think I'm going to change plans.
Wow, look at that, eh?
That rock that you see there is at that place that I pointed on the side. No, on the sign.
Oh,
It's a famous rock called Rhino.
That way, eh?
Yeah. Whoa, look at this. Okay, stunning.
Whoa!
The water.
This is a drop off. Whoa! Doesn't feel like we've climbed so high.
It's a long drop when you're desperate.
Yeah, oh well. The buck seemed to just do it right here.
Check at the car from the distance. Look how flat this mountain is. It's rock.
This is beautiful.
There's that famous boulder that one that I was talking about, Alex.
Yeah.
That diamond.
Just want to do something, man. Take one. Let's see what it sounds like.
So you're still gonna go higher, eh?
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard it.
Look!
I don't think the view's going to get better.
No, it will get better.
No, it won't. Look at this.
Nick!
Get up at that place that I told you about. You might have seen the photo that time. That'll be a really cool photo to see as well.
It's climbing on a steep rock, but then if you zoom out to the ground, it's right there.
Nice. Yeah.
Hey, yo.
Thank you.
Oh wow, interesting.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, maybe.
It's definitely not generally how people
Yeah, you
Oh,
wrap
it's
your arm,
different.
mostly come around the.
with the left hand.
Okay, I was going to put my foot on here.
If you put your right hand here
Yeah.
and your left there, and you put your right foot here, and go up there.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we can end up doing a bit of like a crotch climb as
Awesome.
well.
Are you guys from around here?
Cape Town?
Cape Town,
Does
okay.
that count?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are you guys?
Same yeah, Cape Town as well,
Cool.
yeah.
Okay.
Get out here every now and then. It's nice and close, and we get some photos of the stars now because it's still Milky Way season. So climbing and
Yeah,
photography.
you guys
work.
seem to be the photographers, yeah?
Yeah, my friend over there, Alex, he's pretty professional.
Okay.
Oh,
He's going to get all the good photos of us.
Cool.
that's
Nice.
great. Sending warm-up folder.
Yeah.
Good.
Sucks, come out the way.
Your name is Fox.
If I zoom in, Nick, it looks like you're really high up.
For your first time, not bad, eh?